To delete comments on your Instagram story in 2024, follow these step-by-step instructions. Deleting comments on your Instagram story. 1. Open Instagram. Launch the Instagram app on your device. Ensure it's updated to the latest version. 2. Go to your story. Tap on your profile picture or the Your Story icon in the top left of your feed to view your active story. 3. Swipe up on your story. When viewing your story, swipe up to reveal the list of viewers and any interactions, like comments or reactions. 4. Locate the comment. Scroll through the list to find the comment you want to delete. Comments usually appear in the Interactions section, right below the viewer's list. 5. Delete the comment. For comments, tap and hold on the specific comment. Select the delete option that appears. Confirm the action if prompted. Notes: Instagram stories typically only allow reactions, like emojis, not full comments. The steps above apply to these interactions. If you've posted a story using the Add Yours feature, people can leave text replies. Follow the steps above to delete text replies in this context. Let me know if you need help with anything else.